to 701, 7,462. Hey guys, welcome back to MX5 Rusteration. In this video, we're going to continue working on the Suzuki LG80. Now in our previous video, we actually got this front axle off and started cleaning up the chassis and the bulkhead. In the previous video to that, we actually got this engine out and got that gearbox out. In this video, we're going to I'm out of breath. 7,462. In this video, we're hopefully going to get the body off the chassis and then start cleaning up the underside of the body. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. Right, so in my professional opinion, we didn't actually need to take those screws out of the inside there because they don't actually go into the chassis. They go into the bottom of the tub. So I've taken them out, I'll destroy them for nothing. However, we are now loose on the actual body. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these jacks out of the, these jack stands off the front, and then we can hopefully, with a bit of muscle, we can walk it that way. We're going to walk it that way. Watch us struggle. Right, so we've already taken these out, but I forgot to press record. So I've just put them back in, so then we can take them back out so you guys can see it.
It's not bad. So the whole body was held on by 2 bolts. Wow. It's supposed to be held on here, here. These mountings have corroded and the front ones were taken out. So there was literally 2. He's a bit low. He's a bit low, and steering's a bit light. But it's comfortable. Wow.
Right, so the body's off. Now, as Steve says, there was only 2 bolts actually holding the whole body onto the chassis. What we're going to do is we're going to take this rear axle off.
So, in Ryan's haste to move the chassis, he's bent the body. What the?
Oh dear. It's a feature. I think we'll do the other side the same.
What, flared wheel arches?
Flared wheel arches. Anthony. We should have put some brakes on these first. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to do better than that. Right, so the body's off the chassis, so the chassis is over there, the body's on its side. We've actually made our own rollover jig as well, in the form of 3 tyres underneath the side. But it's fine, no damage was caused except for this little corner when I fell over with the chassis. But putting it on its side actually makes it 1,716% easier to actually clean the underside of this and weld some new pieces in. So what we can do now is we can start cleaning the underside of the body and get it ready for paint. I know there is a couple of areas that we do need to re-weld, like here and here. But what we're going to do is we're going to grab our wire wheel and start cracking on with cleaning the underside of this. In this video, we're going to hopefully get this tub off and start cleaning the underside of the body and the chassis. We're going to get this tub off and start